So this is a problem encountered by engineers every day of the working week, having applications like this, but having to go through monotonous tasks to complete them, and also potentially risk mistakes. A component like this, you may have to move through various stages on the bed of a 3-axis machine in order to get the complete part. Well, I've got a solution for you today to do this far quicker. And this is the solution from Hyfore. Now this is a UCAM tilt and turn 2-axis table which can be retrofitted to any machining centre. So if you've got a 3-axis machine like the Quasar that we had there, and you want to reduce the intervention, you want to reduce the cycle time of machining a part like this and the handling, then this tilt turn table will mean that you can do this component far quicker. Now this table would normally retail at around about 30k. The special offer from Hyfore at the moment is £15,000 for this unit. Now, depending on the machine you've got, there may be some slight additional increases in that cost for cables and interfacing, but it's still going to cost you, it's still going to be a fantastic deal on this unit. That's just 15k for a 2-axis tilt turn table. Before I go, I'm just going to tell you that the model is actually, it's a 200mm diameter table with a swing of 250mm, so that gives you an idea of the size of this unit. But by looking at this component on here, you can really get a feel and a flavour for the capacity of this 2-axis table. Can be interfaced to any 3-axis machine. This is the time to make your company more productive. This is an opportunity to get this unit for just £15,000. You won't find another deal on a 2-axis table like this, ex-demonstration, out there in the market at the moment. Contact Hyfore at hyfore.com.